But there's also how you're doing things, how you're being when you do this. So one thing is what you're doing, but there's also how you are doing it. So what are they meeting when they meet you? So there's be prepared, have the documentation ready instead of waiting to be asked, and being proactive. So don't wait for all the questions, share the policies, and maybe have an FAQ with the most asked questions. There's another tip is to actually fill out an open source security questionnaire that I'll show you. So be prepared, be proactive, be transparent. For example, writing about your program on your website, and take charge. So, don't wait for them to pull you in, but say, hey, we have a process here and this is how we do it. That also helps a lot with setting the tone in the discussion. So, so the social proof part, I've seen some good examples of putting up a security page on your website, because everybody who's going to talk to you, they're going to check out your website and they're going to see, okay, what you write about yourself and about security there. If you have any reference customers, like big customers already approved you as a data processor, it's very good to put those up, but also simply your security program. So I'm going to show you this one that's pretty advanced, and then we have a simpler one as well. So they simply have a whole page with trust and security. Here they have their reference customers. Mural is trusted by security program. So it's like the marketing version of what you've been working on. So just putting up, okay, this is what we're doing. And here you can see more policy, certifications, status and quality, privacy. So they have a lot here. And see, we comply with GDPR. Okay, so here they have SOC 2 and they have ISO certifications. So you can probably see, let's see what they have here. Okay, you cannot click this. So they just put it up so you can see everything. And let's have a look at the other one. This is a Danish company. Security programs. So here we are compliant, so they're not certified yet. Using the SIS controls. We are in EU. That's also a good thing to write EU data residency. That is still also good if you're selling to EU customers. GDPR. VSA Core, that's the open source security questionnaire I'm going to show you. And penetration test. So here it's a little bit simpler. A little bit more. Here's more information. More like text. So they go through like a short version of their security policy in a way. So that's a way to build the social proof, and so people can prepare themselves before they even meet your security policies.